Today we are taking some materials to Abuja. So this is going to Abuja this evening. We are going by nurse. And what are we by night bus? What are we sending to Abuja today? We are sending some fishes, some pure clearance line fishes to Abuja, and we are sending our water parameter correctness, which is the natural water parameter correctness. So that is what is going to Abuja today. But I just want to show you a video on how it works. This water is a rainwater. This is a rainwater, and what can we do? I just want to test the potential hydrogen of the rainwater to see what I will get based on an experiment. I really want to drive it. So doing that, I will try to check the potential hydrogen, potential hydrogen of the rainwater. So testing it, that means because rain is coming presently, it said the water is neutral. So perfectly the water is okay. But checking that, this is the water from my bowl. This water is the water from my bowl, and I'll be checking the water from my bowl. So checking the water from my bowl, let me see what we have here from my bowl. We have an acidic water. Yeah, but I told you, if you are into hatchery and maybe you have been watching series of my videos, you don't need to be panicked if you have any parameters in your water, because there's no problem without solution. So with this too, I would like to test how soft the rainwater is, how soft or hard the rainwater is. So testing that, I'll be using this kit to do that. So I'll be using this kit to know how hard it is. So in here it tells me the rainwater is 40. The rainwater is 46. The rainwater falls to 46. Okay, sorry. So the rainwater falls to 23, and the electronics conductivity of the water falls to 46. That means it's extremely low, very low. And then testing my acidic water, it tells me my water is 59. That means the soft water is 59, and the electronics conductivity of the water gives me 120. So this is a little bit higher. But if you are into hatchery and you really want to breed and you don't want stress for your fishes, so I think you need at least a water of 150. How soft the water is should be at least 150. So this is how you do it. So since we have tested this and it's acidic, and the next thing to do is just to experiment the natural way of testing the water. So we'll be putting some amount of this, just small amount of this into it, and we'll be putting it down here. So after putting it down, let me just do the checking. And for you guys, you know, this is immediate. This does not wait. This does not wait at all. It's immediate. So that is why I'm doing the checking for you, so that you can understand how effective it works. How effective it works. So conveniently, this takes it to 6.5. It takes it to 2.5. But once it takes it to 2.5, because it's a natural way of correcting your water, by the time I hold it and put it down here, it will take it to neutral. So, and let me check for the same the soft, how soft it is. For you that remembers, it tells me this runs to 53, 54. But now checking it, Now checking it, it takes it to 65, and it takes the electronics conductivity, which is 118 before, it takes it to 126. So it makes it cushion it up a little, so that is how it works. So in case you're having water challenges in any area, you may be having the challenges in your water, make sure that you contact us and we tell you how appropriate for you to test based on the available materials, because we have series of materials available that you can use to correct your water, but you must know the application and which one to use. There are some people that by the time they have problems, they immediately go to use a soda ash without checking other parameters in the water. And other parameters in the water is very, very important to know when you want to do your application for fryers. Fryers does not need stress. They don't want any kind of stress at all. So you must be very, very careful during your application saga. So this is what I'm trying to control here. I told you this is going to Abuja. This is going to Abuja, and it is going to Abuja. Going to Abuja. This is going to Abuja, and this is what I need. So I told you today we'll be taking the natural correctant soft materials to take your water from acidity to alkaline, and we are taking some fish. So you'll be seeing me loading the fish very soon, and we'll be taking it to the park. So all this video will be in this same video, so make sure that you watch out. Thank you, and God bless you.